one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. The Lord is bringing a divine overflow in your life. He's bringing you more than just survival. He's bringing life in its fullness. For He gave His life so that you could live. The Lord says, trust in me, that I am bringing my refreshment, I'm bringing my renewal, my divine overflow into your life. For I am the one who is pouring forth my love within you, my love that heals and restores, my love that makes new and whole. There is not a scarcity of my love, for my love will never run dry. My love flows upon you and through you. Become aware of the freshness of my love. Become aware of the power and the strength of my love, for I am the Lord who is with you. Do not hold back, but receive my life-giving presence. Receive my blessing this day, for I am bringing you by streams of living water into a place of renewal, a place of overflow. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.